talk about how can you change dark mode on your Eyecon app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down here, click here on more down here, and you just click here on more. So then it's going to take you to this list. So it's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do, you just click here on themes, just click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then just click here in this sign here. That like you see, it's going to change with you to a light mode like you see now here on your tricolor app. So that's all you have to do. I wish you I get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.